Hi and welcome back to Business Brain USA. In this video, we will highlight what we see as the top 6 online businesses to start for virtually guaranteed success in 2023. Before we get started, please take a moment to hit the like and subscribe buttons so that we can send a message to the YouTube algorithm that this type of content should be shared throughout the platform to other like-minded individuals. Go ahead and get that done. I'll wait. Okay, let's get into it. Starting an online business can be a great way to achieve financial independence and live the lifestyle you desire. With the internet and technology constantly evolving, there are always new and innovative online business ideas emerging. Here are a few of the best online business ideas to consider. E-commerce store. With the popularity of online shopping, starting an e-commerce store can be a lucrative business idea. You can sell a wide range of products, from physical goods such as clothing and accessories to digital products like ebooks and courses. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products from a supplier, but the supplier handles all the shipping and fulfillment. This can be a great way to get started with an e-commerce business without having to worry about inventory management or fulfillment. Blog or content-based business. If you have a passion for writing, you could start a blog or content-based business. You can monetize your website through advertising, sponsored content, or by selling digital or physical products. Online coaching or consulting. If you have expertise in a particular field, you could offer your services as an online coach or consultant. This could be anything from business coaching to fitness or health consulting. Social media management. Many businesses are looking for help with managing their social media accounts. If you have experience with social media marketing, you could offer your services as a social media manager. Online course creation. If you have knowledge or skills that you want to share with others, you could create an online course. There are many platforms available that make it easy to create and sell your own courses. No matter what online business idea you choose, it's important to do your research. Create a solid business plan and be willing to put in the work to make your business a success. With dedication and hard work, you can turn your online business idea into a profitable reality. Thanks for sticking around to the end. If you think you've received some real value from this short video, share it with a friend. They will thank you for it. We release new videos every week, so be sure to subscribe so as not to miss any of the amazing content we have planned. Until next time, we remain Business Brain USA.